Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to enjoy vinyl records through your Sonos wireless speakers, the setup might seem a bit tricky at first, because turntables and wireless systems work in completely different ways. A turntable sends an analog signal, while Sonos speakers operate digitally through your network, so you need the right connection method to bridge that gap. Many users get confused when they try to connect directly and don't get any sound. The key is using the correct input setup so your turntable audio can be recognized and played through your Sonos system. Once everything is connected properly, you can enjoy the warm sound of vinyl across your wireless speakers without any issues. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your turntable to Sonos speakers correctly. Try these first. Step 1. Make sure your turntable has a built-in preamp or connect an external preamp. Step 2. Connect the turntable output to a Sonos device with line-in support. Step 3. Use the correct audio cable to establish the connection securely. Step 4. Open the Sonos app and go to System Settings. Step 5. Select the line-in source and adjust audio settings if needed. Step 6. Play a record and choose your Sonos speakers to start playback.